Hey folks, I'm running late this morning. I actually just got my Ninja Trader set up, and as you can see, I have 30 seconds to spare before the market opens. This has been a pretty busy morning, but I'm glad I was able to make it here on time to at least catch the beginning here. All right, I got the room up, and I'm going to be checking out some other stuff and trying to finish getting some other things set up here.
Let's see. 1 minute, guys. 1 minute.
And this is Friday. Typically, I don't like taking trades on Friday, but I know he's now added the Monday and Friday trading sessions as well for futures. But things tend to get a little wonky on Mondays and Fridays from what I've seen. So we'll see what happens here.
All right, guys. Market's open. Let's watch what happens here, guys. This is possible. All right, guys. Let's see what goes on here. This is right at yesterday's highs. We got to be real careful because this can take off to the upside pretty quickly. Is it open yet? Yeah, the market's open. There you go. About a minute opened. Let's watch this, guys. Let's watch this. But right at yesterday's highs, guys. This is right at yesterday's highs, so it's kind of tricky here. This is not a pair. This is the S&P 500 E-mini futures. The S&P E-mini futures are a $19 trillion market cap. It's the S&P stock. It's the stock market, the U.S. stock market futures. 500 of the top stocks. They created an index back in the 1950s. The 1980s, they created futures, a tradable instrument. You trade it the same as Forex. All right, guys, I'm looking at the short side. We're selling the market right here, guys. We're selling the market right here. We're selling the market, short in the market. Keeping stops right above the high. All right, guys, I'm keeping a $150 risk on this trade here, guys. $150 risk. So if we get stopped out, we're going to lose $150. We've had a good week so far. I'm going to risk $300 on the day, possibly even $400 on the day, guys. So right now, I'm risking about $150 on this trade. Okay? Risking $150 on the trade, guys.
Well, he is right. We've already had a great week, so I'm glad we're using a pretty tight stop here. No, that's not 1-to-1. That's 1-to-1. All right, we'll leave that where it is.
guys. I'm putting a break-even stop at 203,650. Break-even stop 203,650. I just don't trust this. Just don't trust it, guys. I'm just not trusting it. It's feeling weird. Feeling weird. All right. If it goes up again, I could always sell them again, but I'm just feeling weird here, guys. I'm sorry. Something's not feeling right. I don't know.
Stop filled.
Something's weird. They stop this out. They stop this out. Maybe they go higher.
Came within one pip
go higher.
of hitting that profit target.
Maybe not.
We'll continue watching it.
Look at a break-even stop. Break-even stop, guys.
Same thing I always notice. Fridays are pretty strange. All right, guys, we're already at 8 minutes here. Nothing's really happening right now. Let me go ahead and pause it, and I'll come back once we enter the next trade.
All right, guys, sell side, sell side, sell side. Stops above the high. All right?
All right, guys, once again, another
Putting a point
tight
and a half
stop.
risk up here.
Very tight stop here.
A little bit higher. 1 3/4 points risk. Let's just see. We'll see if this turns down, guys. I'm going to keep a $400 risk on the day. Right? We've been having good days here. $175 risk on the trade. That doesn't feel so good. I don't like the way the fills are, guys. This is just too fast. Too fast. Yeah, this is no good. This is tough. Yeah, coming to get us. Even $175 risk on the trade, guys. $175 risk. Gonna keep 400 on risk today. 400 as a risk today. So if I want to go to another trade, we could do it. I'll have somebody. I have the ability to do that. Market doesn't want to put down, man. I don't know what the story is. Jeez. Got the last fake out up. That's what I'm thinking. The red line is yesterday's highs. The red line is yesterday's highs.
1 to 1.
Below that,
risk to reward.
that's an extremely good thing to do. But we got about $175 risk on the table here this morning, guys. Want to get back below the red line. That's yesterday's highs. A failure back below that is a positive for us. A failure back below that is a positive for us. What a tough little market here for us, huh?
As you guys have seen, pretty much all week we've been able to get in and out of the market pretty quickly, but Fridays
This is yesterday's highs, guys.
they're just tough.
See get back below this. This is do or die right here. Hello? Hello?
I'll be honest with you, my instinct is telling me to go ahead and move my stop to break even, but the vendor hasn't done it yet, and I'm trying my hardest right now just to follow exactly what he does.
Target filled.
First target finally just got
Okay,
hit.
guys. So let's see here what happens. We're below yesterday's high. That's a good thing. All right, that's a good thing. We're below yesterday's highs, guys. So this could possibly turn into a really nice move to the downside. So at this point, we should feel comfortable that any bounces are not going to get too far, and the market should try to trade lower. So we're going to bring our stops all the way down to break even here, and any push down, we're going to look to get out. So pushes down, we're looking to get out. Any push down, bounces should not get too far. Unbelievable type of market we're in. Jeez. Whoa. Jeez.
Also wanted to make note, folks, that I've had several people sign up over the last few days as IBOs. So my fourth level, I only have 2 more spots on it at this point. So if you want that, definitely go ahead and get signed up, and I'll start placing people under you. Everybody on my first and second level
break-even stops, guys.
already has people under them at this
I
point.
think the market will get back up here this far.
And
But
several
obviously,
of the people on the third level now have people under them as well. So things are really going well. I'm going to try and get as many of you guys up to 12 as I can, because that's where you can qualify to start making $600 a month in passive income with iMarkets Live. And as I always say, if you haven't yet, make sure you check out the comp plan. Check out their compensation plan. I'll put the link below this video so that you guys can get information, so you can see how you can get everything free, and also how you can make some pretty easy money with it. Well, I shouldn't say easy money, but how you can make some residual income.
So if they press down, we're going to look to see if we can get out of half of it. Okay? So hopefully hopefully we try to get out of half. If the market goes down again,
This level might be support, so I'd like to
but we'll see.
have my take profit right here so it doesn't have to push past it to get there. We're currently at 15 minutes. I'm going to try to keep this under 20 minutes long.
So I'm changing it to 1, which means if the market goes down, I'm going to get out of half. And I'll be buying 1 or half if the market goes lower.
Marie just took 250 in profits. Nice.
This is horrible. This is a horrible way to trade. Okay, I'm buying half, right? So I exited 1, which means I have 1 left, half. I put my stop right at the high right there. So I'm going to lock in a profit. If the market comes up again, I'm going to lock in a profit. Quite honestly, I don't really feel it here. Let's see if we go a little bit lower. Actually, I'm looking to get out of the trade, getting out of the trade, exiting the trade, guys. We're exiting the trades, guys. So how do we do today? Let's just take a look. Let's take a look here, guys. Let's just take a look. 230 bucks. How do we do, guys?
Stop filled.
That's all. That's all.
525. Wow. Good day. 212, 200, 125, 237, 240, 650, 260, 250, 125, 100, 287.
That's all, guys. Then we have to do, we come in, and we say, you know what? We're not accepting mediocrity. We're not accepting...
Nice. 1,600 for the week.
We're not accepting having a job. We're not accepting it. We're accepting freedom. All right, guys. I'm going to put this on Facebook, man. I have to pull a disclaimer, too. Disclaimer.
800. 248. All right, guys, we're at 19 minutes and 54 seconds, so I think I'm going to go ahead and shut it down or look at shutting it down here. We definitely made money today. First trade was break even. Second trade was a really nice winner. So again, if you guys want more information, don't hesitate to click the link below. Make sure you sign up as an IB. And you should also see a link for the compensation plan video as well. If you have any questions, just send them my way, and I will see you guys next week. Take care, folks.